stretch again and relax. Hi, I'm Dr. Mason Connolly at Back Pain Relief Chiropractic in O'Fallon, Illinois. I'm here with a special guest. This is my dad right here. He's here. He's actually having some problems. He's actually having some neck pain and some headaches. We've kind of went through his history a little bit here. We've kind of decided what to do. He's having some problems up through here. We're going to go through and adjust his neck. We're going to actually adjust all through his back through here because he does have other problems too that we've been working on. We're going to really kind of focus up here in his neck and do some adjustment on his neck and do some stretching up on his neck. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up and we're going to kind of go from there. You're having it right up here on that left side. Does it come down your shoulder down through here?
No.
It mostly stays right up here in your neck?
Yeah.
It comes right up here to the, kind of right to where I'm at?
Up higher.
Even higher?
Yeah.
Up into here?
Uh-huh. Yes, doctor.
Okay. All right, let me adjust you all through here, all the way down your low back here, and we'll come back and flip you over and we'll really work on that neck a little bit more. All right, nice deep breath in, all the way up. And again. And again here. Deep breath in, all. Ooh. Let me do that one again. Deep breath in, all. There.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let me do this acupuncture to you. So we can kind of get these muscles up here to start relaxing a little bit more. All right, let me have you lie on your back for me. Out through here. Does that kind of aggravate?
Yeah.
I can tell, yeah. All right, let me adjust you here first, and then we'll work on those muscles. There it is right there.
There it is.
All right, let's just start with the adjustment right here. Ooh. Let's do this side. Ooh. That is real tight through there. Still real tight right there?
I'm not gonna say yeah, but that hurts.
Dang, that hurts. Good. All right, let me work on these muscles through here. Those are real tight through there. And it even gets up.
Oh yeah, right there. Right to do there.
That is right where these muscles kind of anchor at for your neck. And these will cause headaches right back through here.
That's exactly where it's at.
Does it come up around over the top of your ear here?
No, right where your hands.
Just kind of right through
yeah,
here.
right where you were just pushing. It's like
Right there.
that's
That's
right.
where they kind of settle at?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Sometimes people get them to come up over that ear and even up in the front of that head. From right here. And it's kind of getting these muscles to relax and get it all to calm down through here, getting the bones all aligned. And that's what it takes to kind of calm this down. Like I said before, this might have been what we call a torticollis, where you sleep at night, you get a little chill in it, and you kind of pull that shoulder up to your ear, and it tightens up these muscles, kind of sets a negative reflex arc up in through there. And you kind of get in this pattern where you're just kind of getting headaches repeatedly and it just won't calm down. But doing this kind of resets that pattern. It gets everything to kind of reset and gets rid of those headaches and gets everything feeling good again. All right, let me stretch it forward here. Just relax your neck. Let me do all the work. Let the whole weight of your head fall back into my hands here. And just relax as much as you can. All right, let that weight come on back. Let me turn your head over this way. I'm gonna just push down your shoulder. Does that feel like it stretches up through that area?
Yeah, oh yeah. I can really feel it.
Yeah. It's still right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think I I've got that all the way aligned here. All right, I'm gonna give you a little tug here. All right, I'm gonna help you sit on it. We'll go right up here and do this next adjustment. All right, what I need you to do is push your head over here. Just push, push, push. Now relax for me. Push again, and relax. Good. Yep, that's what we needed. Right through there. All right, how's that feel right now? Wonderful. Move around, see if that feels... Did I loosen that up?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, now don't hit your head. You're gonna give yourself another headache. New problem. Good?
Oh, that is very good. Yeah.
All right.
I'm cured.
You're not cured. It might take a little bit more, might take a couple more visits, especially if it is that torticollis. We got to kind of reset that whole thing. So you probably have to come back again and get another couple of adjustments on that to get it better.
Be happy to.
All right. I'm Dr. Mason Connolly for Back Pain Relief Chiropractic in O'Fallon, Illinois. Thanks.